Hello everyone, welcome to Know Your English Grammar. Today we are looking at noun, one of the 8 parts of speech. A noun is a name word. We use nouns to name persons, places, things, and abstract qualities. Let's look at some examples. For person, we have John, Doctor, and Mr. Brown. For places we have hospital, church, and Jamaica. For things we have table, car, and oven, and for abstract qualities we have love, truth, and initiative. There are 2 types of nouns, proper nouns and common nouns. A proper noun names a specific person, place or thing, and a common noun names a general class of people, places, or things. Let's look at these examples. John is a proper noun, boy is a common noun. Toyota is a proper noun, car is a common noun. Jamaica is a proper noun, country is a common noun. Let's look at some sentences. John goes to church on Sundays. The nouns are John, church, and Sundays. Mr. Brown sits at the table. The nouns are Mr. Brown and table. The doctor tells John the truth. The nouns are doctor, John, and truth. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments section and subscribe below so that you do not miss our next video. Until next time, bye.